What's the meaning of beau? Beau. Beau.
Beau. Beau. The word beau is a noun that refers to a man who is a boyfriend or lover, specifically one who is fashionable or charming. Originally, the term was derived from the French word beau, which means beautiful, and was used primarily to describe the male suitor of a woman. In modern times, the term has evolved to encompass a broader range of meanings, such as a male escort or a male companion for social events. Regardless of the context in which it is used, the term beau typically connotes a sense of attractiveness, elegance, and sophistication.